Hey everybody, Thermal here with another wonderful video for you. Today I'm here talking with you about the CVLife quick release mount rail. So you see there. Now say I'm out shooting or my gun case or gun bag I should say doesn't fit my scope, or I'll put something my scope away. That way I know it's sighted in. I know I can mark it on my rail where I want it, but it's just too big or the gun's profile is too large for where I can like mount it or keep it while I'm not shooting it. So we can take it off and mount it either to this rail, which I'm not going to do at the moment. I'm going to mount it onto this so you guys can see a little better, because this thing's super easy to work on. It's just another red dot, nothing crazy. Tighten it down. Boom. Tighten down. And now this one is, so you say I want to swap them out. That works too. Put it there. Turn the gun around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Use this scope. Bust me and or myself. This gun's pretty badass. Alright, so this one. I think it's that way. Actually, I've never. Yeah, that way. So it goes this way. We got it. Alright, so I want to mount this on. I want to swap out. I'm about to go, say, coyote hunting or something close range. I don't need my big scope. I can take this. So this usually sits like that. That means it's closed. So I open it up to that way, throw it on there, closed. It's done. There we go. Ready to go shoot something with this red dot. It's that easy. Now you can tighten it up. I think so. It needs to be a little bit tighter. It has a little thing here for you to adjust. Right there. Just give that a couple turns. Get it in its spot. Ooh, man, I might tighten it down a little too much. It's just a little, kind of like a set screw. It's a flat, or Phillips head on the reverse side. Oh, come on. Now you don't want to do it. Just back it off the hair. Get to where we want it. Oh, there we go. Actually, while it's down here, you should be able to tighten it into place. There we go. To fit whatever rail you're using. Now this quick mount will not fit on every rail. It will fit on AR rail, either here or up here. I believe they're called 20mm rails. My Ruger breakdown I have, it doesn't fit. The rail gaps aren't big enough. But this one, it fits perfect. And there you go. Good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed. It is made sturdy, like this solid material. I really like it. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. You can email me or contact me or ask questions about through Amazon or YouTube, wherever you see this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.